Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.